everybody, my name is Rachel. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an easy, fast cobbler that takes like absolutely no time and that is super delicious that you will definitely love. It's something that I was craving on Friday night, so I made for my family. All right, let's get started. It is Friday evening and I am really craving some cobbler, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw some together here. I have some salted butter. You want to use salted butter, and this is only half a cup here, so I'm going to use 1.5 here. I'll cut this aside. And we're just going to cut up the butter. This way it is easier to disperse all over the cobbler. As you can see, they're all stuck together, so we're just going to place them here in this bowl. Kind of chop them up a little bit here. And after all the butter is here, then I am going to go ahead and put it in the freezer. Hi, baby.
What are you making?
I'm making a cobbler.
What's that?
I'm next going to go ahead and spray my pan here. This is a 9 by 13. And I'm using this right here, the canola spray. You could use this or some baker's joy. I don't really have a whole lot left in here, so I'll just use that. This one's perfectly fine. You could use any spray of your choice, except don't use olive oil. It just won't taste very good at all. And I have here, it was hard to choose. I wasn't sure which one I should choose, but I have the apple and the peach. So I'm going to do half and half here, and these are both 21-ounce cans. Let me see here. Yeah, they're 21 ounces. So I'll start here with the apple. And you want to make sure that you get all the glaze out. Go ahead and rinse this. And now I'll put the peaches over here on this side. Remembering to get all this delicious glaze off. You want all of it. Next, we'll be taking a box cake. Any one of your choice would be fine. I always stick with either Betty Crocker or Duncan Hines. Those are my two favorite box cakes. But any one would be okay. And then you'll just want to evenly distribute it on top. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take my spoon here and just kind of evenly smooth it out here. And if there's any clumps, I'll just kind of break them down a little bit.
Hey, I want to make the cake.
Yeah, baby, we're making cobbler. It's going to be delicious. Okay, so now I took the bowl here out of the freezer with the butter, and it didn't need a whole lot of time. So I'm just going to go ahead and distribute the butter all over the cobbler. You want to make sure you get it all over. That's why I chopped it up in little pieces here. It just makes it easier. In all the areas that the butter are in, it'll make it like nice and crispy in each of these areas. Okay, so the oven is now preheated to 375. I will be baking this until it is just nice golden brown. So I'll let you know after it's finished baking how long it takes. But of course, everybody's oven is different, but I'll still let you know how long it takes so you can know approximately how long it does take and what it looks like at the end. And here we have it. It took 55 minutes, and as you can see, all the spots where we had butter, it's just so nice and extra brown, and it's going to be all nice and crispy right there, and it's just so good. We like to eat it hot, so I'm going to let it cool a tiny bit because it's like super hot, it's still moving, it's alive. So we're going to let it cool down a little bit, and then we'll put some ice cream on it. Who wants some? This is the final product right here. Little Miss Mila Janae, she is going to be trying it out here. And look at how delicious it looks. We're going to sit down and watch a movie. What do you think, Mommy?
It's good.
Does it look good?
Yes. It's delicious.
Okay, try it out.
It's good.
It's good. See? Told you guys, it's delicious.
This tastes good.
It does taste good, huh? Alright, you guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. Also, share with a friend and leave me a comment to say hello, or just let me know if you have made the cobbler, or if you plan on making it, or if you have a recipe that is your favorite that you enjoy making and want to just share your recipe or tips and tricks. Alright, you guys, thank you so much and God bless. Mwah. God bless.